Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn to express admiration for people. This is a lesson on adjectives. Before we start our lesson, I would like to say congratulations if you are among those who watched every lesson of Araw-Araw Filipino. You would have learned 1,000 plus Filipino words at this point. That is quite an achievement. Congratulations! Now on to our lesson. Let us begin with some adjectives or mga pang-uri, which we will use in this lesson. Beautiful, maganda. Kind, mabait. Good, magaling. Excellent, mahusay. Smart, matalino. And responsible, responsable. Now let us look at some sentences to express admiration or magpahayag ng paghanga. Express, magpahayag. Admiration, paghanga. Here is a sentence. She is beautiful. Maganda siya. She, siya. Beautiful, maganda. Now this sentence is not expressing admiration, but stating or describing that someone is beautiful. To express it with admiration, you will hear Filipinos say, ang ganda niya. Now, the English translation for this, word for word, is the beauty of her, which by itself is not a proper English statement. But the translation is the is ang, beauty, ganda. In this context, this is a noun. And then, her, niya. The beauty belongs to her. Because it is a possessive form, we use the pronoun niya. Here is another way to express admiration. She is so beautiful. Napaka-ganda niya. So beautiful. Napaka-ganda. Now, so beautiful is an adjective, isn't it? But we still used niya. We still use the possessive form. This is just one of the nuances of the language. Whenever we express that someone is so beautiful, napakaganda, we use niya. And here is another version. Ang ganda niya. So, when we want to express that someone is so beautiful or very beautiful, we can double up the root word, and the root word here is ganda. So we say ganda, ganda. Let us look at the sentences again and observe the pattern. Here is the pattern. So you can use these patterns to express admiration for a person. You simply fill in the blanks with an adjective. Let us use these patterns to make new sentences using another adjective, which is kind, mabait. The root word of mabait is bait. With that in mind, let us make the next sentence. Ang bait niya. She is so kind. Napaka-bait niya. And you can also express that as ang bait-bait niya. Let us try the patterns again with a new adjective. This time, smart or matalino. She is smart. Matalino siya. To express admiration, we say, ang talino niya. talino is the root word of matalino. And the superlative form, she is so smart, napaka-talino niya. Or we also say, ang tali-talino niya. Now, in the last statement, note how we intensified the word talino. The root word talino has more than 2 syllables, ta, li, no, so 3. In this case, we still only use the first 2 syllables followed by the root word to express the superlative form, ang tali-talino niya. Sometimes, we do not just admire a person. We feel awe. We could be in awe, which is a feeling of wonder. Awe in Filipino is still paghanga. We use the same word for awe and admiration. But let us look at how we express awe or wonder about a person. First, these are the statements, the sentences we will use to express admiration. But when we are in awe or wonder about a person, we use the word naman. We say, ang ganda naman niya. Or we can say, napakaganda naman niya. Or, ang ganda-ganda naman niya. We use the word naman after the adjective to express awe. Naman has many meanings and usage in the Filipino language. To express awe is just one of them. And we will learn more about naman in future lessons. Here is our set of patterns again. Although this lesson is about expressing admiration, the patterns we learned also apply for expressing the opposite of admiration. You can express what you do not admire. Ano ang hindi mo hinahangaan? What, ano, you, mo, do not admire, hindi hinahangaan. So let's look at examples. He is arrogant. Mayabang siya. Arrogant, mayabang. The root word is yabang. Ang yabang niya. He is so arrogant. Napaka-yabang niya. Ang yabang-yabang niya. So you see, you can use the same patterns for expressing the opposite of admiration. And we can also use the word naman to express awe or wonder about the negative traits of someone. You can say, ang yabang naman niya, or napaka-yabang naman niya, or ang yabang-yabang naman niya. Now let us get back to looking at positive adjectives or mga pang-uri to express admiration for someone. Handsome, guwapo, or pogi. Strong, malakas. Brave, matapang. Respectful, magalang. Hardworking, masipag. And last, calm, mahinahon. You can use these new adjectives and the ones that we have learned earlier for your practice. That is our lesson today. I hope you found it useful. For your homework, write about people you admire in Filipino language and write sentences expressing admiration for more than one person. The examples we saw in this lesson focused on expressing admiration for just one person. Now try the plural form. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!